Yo, what's up guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video we're going to be looking at this device right here. So this is a mobile phone which is a Nokia C30. So this is basically a device that was sent to me by, I think it's HMD. It's a review unit. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, and then we'll go through like some basic specification, and then I think we'll do a review on a separate video. So let's jump ahead and do the unboxing. So just to go through around the packaging, obviously on the front side it will say Nokia C30, which is the make and the model, and right at the bottom it shows that it runs Android. So, and then on the side basically you get 2-year security updates on Android, and then on the other side it's just information about HMD Global, so which is the exclusive licensee of Nokia brand phones and tablets. Nokia started trademark, whatever that information. So yeah, and then at the back what you find in, you just find the name, which is Nokia C30, trusted, secure, and built to last. That's what we all know Nokia for. And then just to go on the roundabout specification that are listed in here, they said it has a big, bold, beautiful 6.82-inch HD plus display. So basically you already know that we're looking at quite a massive display on this device. And then the next thing that speaks about, it says like keeps you up with 6,000 milliamps battery. So that's actually quite huge. It's basically twice the battery that most of us have on our iPhones, which is quite interesting. So basically we know that Nokia, when it comes to battery, their batteries are so good, they're built to last. So, and then the other thing is this is capture life at its best with its 13 megapixel camera, and then it has 2MP rear camera. So it has like 2 cameras at the back, and then it has a front facing 5 megapixel camera, and then it says more multitasking, more speed, secure with Android 11, the Go edition, which is something I don't really like. I don't like the Go edition, but we'll see. It also has a security feature, which is a built-in fingerprint sensor for biometric security, and then they also give a link where you can actually buy in additional accessories. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So another interesting thing here that I'm not going to show, it shows that it has 2 IMIs, IMI 1 and IMI 2. So normally that happens in the case whereby the phone accepts 2 SIM cards. So basically, you know, if your phone has that, it will basically accept 2 SIM cards. The only difference is if your network provider has blocked the other SIM slot, you might not be able to use that. But in essence, it's supposed to accept 2 SIM cards on your phone. So I believe it's the same with this one. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I brought in my weapon, and let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. So it's just basically has 2 seals on the side. Okay, I think I can open one side. Yeah, this side I think should be okay. Yeah, then you just pull it up like this. Nothing in here. So the first thing that you see is the device itself, which is covered by plastic. And then it's quite big, and I'm gonna put it aside. And then let's see what else we find in the box. So basically you find in the, so this is basically paperwork. This is product and safety information, and this is the same thing written in a different language. And then this is basically a manual for how to operate the Nokia C30. And then this is the cover. So it basically comes in with a cover that you can actually use to protect the phone, so which is something good. And then the next thing that we found in here is a power brick, which looks huge. Let's look at how big it is. This is okay, this is 10 watts. I thought it was going to be beyond that, but this is a 10 watt power brick, which yeah, you're gonna have to find a different power plug to actually connect this, but that's not going to be a transmission. And the next thing that you find Nokia, what do you call this, headsets, which has a 3.5mm jack. Of course, these are not wireless, and they've got remote control. I'm gonna put that aside. And the last thing that you find is it's a USB, micro USB. Yeah, it's a micro USB cable. So I'm gonna put all these things aside. I wasn't expecting to see a micro USB on this device, but I'm this aside anyway. Okay, then let's go ahead and look at the device itself. So like they said, what color is this anyway? Quite an interesting color. I'm not sure if it's visible on camera, but yeah, it's quite dark greenish. And what you find at the bottom, it's basically it still runs micro USB, which I don't know why we still have that in 2021. This is a microphone for the calls. And then by the looks of things, seems like you can actually remove the cover. I'm not going to try to do that. Yeah, it seems like you can actually. It was that simple. So yeah, the cover is removed. I don't remember the last time I saw this. And just to confirm what I was saying, so however, the battery is still sealed, and this thing shows that it does have 2 SIM card slots. So the SIM card slot 1 and 2, and then it has a micro SD slot in here at the back, and then the battery is covered down over here, which is quite interesting. And then going forward, this is like a stereo speaker down here at the back, and then it also has a full fingerprint sensor, dual camera, as well as the flash right over here. So basically it's a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel, and then it has 5 megapixel front facing camera right on top here. This is where we find an 3.5 milli jack for audio, and then on the left hand side there isn't literally any button, and if you look on the right hand side you find a power button or a lock button, volume up and a volume down button. And like they said, this is a 6.82 inch HD plus display, which is good. So already this tells us there are some features that we're not gonna see in here, and this is basically the speaker that we find in here. I actually like how they shrink the speaker, as much as we can still see a little bit of the bezel, but the speaker has been shrinked so well right here on top, which is quite good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up this phone, and then I'm gonna tell you more about it in terms of how it works, how it performs, the functionality and all those kind of things, and we'll do that on a separate video. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. If there's anything that you'd like me to cover, you have question regarding this, just drop them in the comment section below. I believe we'll find a way to actually address them on our next video. Cheers, bye.